It's the sheep farm. They had sheeps. Oh, what the hell? Wow. There's a waterfall. 104 acres. Wow. Restoration. This was a sheep farm? You got some plants growing. "104 acres to walk around in. The ruins." Looks like somebody's been cleaning up a little bit. This was a sheep farm, huh? Back in the day. Whoa. That's the foundation of it. Wow. No more. Wow. I guess it goes way up there. I ain't going up there. I get ticks. Looks like a chimney. The old fireplace. What do you think? Where's the sheep? Arrow on the tree. Go through the woods, get some ticks. Alright, I'm out of here. Happy Sunday. Yo. And that's it.